It's a Brent Woofy radio show.
Hey kids, it's time for the Brent and Woofy radio show. Radio for kids and families. So gather up the family, crank up the volume, get ready to have some fun, to laugh along, to sing along, and to use your imagination along with Brent and Woofy. Let's see what we discover today on the Brent and Woofy radio show. Now, here's your hosts, Brent and Woofy.
Hi, Brent and Woofy.
Hello. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Brent and Woofy radio show. This is Brent, and I'd like to introduce you to my good friend Woofy the dog. Say hi, Woofy. Okay. Hi, Woofy. How you doing? I'm doing just great, Woofy. How are you doing today? Well, I'm doing really good. What do we got going on the radio show today? Well, Woofy, as you know, we are right in the middle of summer. Yeah. And summer's my favorite time of year. Yeah, I know. And today, what did you do today? Today I went outside with my digital recorder and I recorded some backyard summer mystery sounds. The backyard summer mystery sounds? That's right, Woofy. We're going to play Brent and Woofy's mystery sound game today. And all the sounds on the game today come from my backyard. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's what? From where? From the backyard, Woofy. Well, what's in the backyard that makes summer sounds? Well, that's why it's so cool. We're going to play the game. You listen to the sounds, and you try to solve them. See if you can figure out what they are. The summer sounds, eh? That's right, Woofy. And you know, while I was out there, there was a bunch of big trucks driving by and making a lot of noise, and it reminded me of the song Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival, because the first line of that song is, "The big trucks rolled into town today." So let's have a listen to that, then we'll play Backyard Mystery Sounds right here on the Brent and Woofy radio show. I like that.
Setting up a show on the outskirts of the town. So get on your bike or get in your car. You don't have to go very far, but other folks are traveling from miles and miles around. Get on down to the fairgrounds to check out the show. There's lots to do and lots to see at Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. Well, Captain Nano, he stands up there and he yells to the people, come join the fair. We've got amusement and excitement inside. We got popcorn and candy floss and apples too, and a merry-go-round that's waiting for you. A big Ferris wheel that'll take you for a ride. Come on, you people, get your tickets here. Don't hesitate, let's go. Stand in line for a very good time at Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. The show's got ponies and trampolines, exotic sights that you've never seen. Wonders of the world are there on display. They've got greasy smelling burgers and hot dogs too. The Midway's full of things to do. Captain Nano's got a lot of wonderful games to play. So grab your mom or grab your dad and check out the show. Cruise on down to the fairgrounds to Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. Now it's time to close the gate. Captain Nano, he don't want to be late. The show's got to go on the road to the next town. Captain Nano says thanks for being here, and we'll see you all again next year. But now it's time to tear the show down. Now the fair is over and it's time for them to go. A big goodbye from all the guys at Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen. Get your tickets here for Captain Nano's Traveling Carnival. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, my friends, we're back here on the Brent and Woofy radio show, and we're playing Brent and Woofy's mystery sounds. But these sounds are even a mystery to Woofy because I went in the backyard and recorded them. Yeah, I wasn't there, so I get to guess what the sounds are. That's right, Woofy. And remember, all these sounds are summer sounds you hear in my backyard or even your backyard. Okay, let's get started. All right, Woofy, here is sound number 1 from the backyard in the summertime, right here on the Brent and Woofy radio show. That was sound number 1, mystery, Brent and Woofy mystery sound number 1. Do you know what it is, Woofy? Wait a minute. You said it comes from the backyard? That's right. In summertime? That's right, Woofy. I don't know what it is. Play it again. Okay, here's mystery sound number 1 again. I certainly don't recognize that sound. I don't know what it is. Well, remember, Woofy, keep in mind it's a summer sound from the backyard. Let's carry on to sound number 2 from Brent's backyard. Summer mystery sound number 2. I've lived in this backyard all my life, all 18 plus years, and I don't know if I've ever heard that sound before in the backyard. Oh, sure, Woofy. It's quite often that you'll hear that sound, especially in the summertime. I don't know what it is. Well, let's carry on, Woofy. Let's go to mystery sound number 3, and you'll certainly guess this one. Okay, go for it. Well, that sounds like water. It sure does, Woofy. But what kind of water? What do you mean, what kind of water? There's only one kind of water. Yes, but water makes different sounds. Oh, it does? That's right, Woofy, because I have another one coming up later. Oh, you do? Well, what was that one? Let's see. Can you play it again? Sure, here it is. Mystery sound number 3. It's definitely water. Yeah, I'm going to let you in on that one, Woofy. It definitely is water. But where? Well, in the backyard. That's right, Woofy. Let's carry on to sound number 4 and see if you can figure out what this one is. And this one, you're only going to hear in the summertime. Well, okay, that's why they're backyard summertime mystery sounds, right? That's right, Woofy. You've got that. Here's number 4. Do you know what that sound is, Woofy? I think I do, but I'm going to try and guess them all later at the end of the show. That's a good idea, Woofy. We'll play all of them. I have 9 of them, and at the end of the show, we'll solve them. That's a good idea. What's number 5? Well, here's number 5, Woofy, and it is definitely a summer backyard sound. Mystery sound on the Brent and Woofy radio show. That sounds like somebody breathing. Well, it has something to do with air, Woofy. You're very close on that, but it's not somebody breathing. It is... Oh, wait. I'm going to wait till the end of the show to tell you. Oh, that's cool. I can wait. You have some more? Sure, Woofy. I have number 6 coming up now. Mystery sound number 6 from Brent's backyard. Whoa, some of these are really tough. Well, you know, Woofy, when you do realize what they are, you'll go, oh, that's what that is. And that one's from the backyard, too? That's right, Woofy. Summertime backyard mystery sound. Let's move on to number 7. Okay, let's hear number 7. That's a backyard mystery sound. It sure is, Woofy. All 9 of them come from the backyard. I just went out there with a digital recorder and found things that make sounds. And they're going to come from the summertime. Summertime, eh? That's right. My favorite time of year. Yeah, I know. You already told me that. You know what my favorite time of the year is? No, Woofy, what's your favorite time of the year? Any time of the year. I like them all. All right, well, let's get back to the summertime mystery sounds. Couple more for you. This one has something to do with, what's this, Woofy? Sounds like you're eating something. That's right, Woofy. See if you can connect eating with mystery sound number 8 on the Brent and Woofy Summertime Backyard Mystery Sounds number 8. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound like eating. Well, it certainly has something to do with eating. Oh, you're confusing me. That's okay, Woofy. When I explain what the sounds are, you'll go, oh, I see why that has something to do with eating. Okay, I can't wait. Let's play one more. That's right, Woofy. There's one more, one final mystery sound from the backyard, number 9. So there you have it, my friends. 9 backyard summer mystery sounds from the Brent and Woofy radio show. See if you can guess what they are. I think the last one sounded like my refrigerator. No, Woofy, it's not your refrigerator. These are sounds from the outside. Okay, well, don't you keep some refrigerators outside? Usually your refrigerator is inside, Woofy. Okay, could you play all those sounds again? Would you like to hear them all, one right after another? Yeah, I would. That way I can figure out what they are. All right, here's all 9 Brent and Woofy mystery sounds, one right after another. See if you can figure them out.
You're listening to the Brent and Woofy radio show. It's radio for kids and families.
right, Woofy, my friend. It's time now to solve the Brent and Woofy Backyard Summertime Mystery Sounds. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, here's how we're going to do it, Woofy. I'm going to play the sound, yeah, and then you guess what it is, and I'll let you know if you're right. Okay, and you folks at home, you guess what it is too. See if you're the same as Woofy, and see if you've got it right. Okay, let's do it. All right, Woofy, here is Mystery Sound, Backyard Summertime Mystery Sound number 1. What's your guess, Woofy?
Well, it sounds like something scraping on something.
You're right, Woofy. It's scraping on the cement.
What's scraping on the cement?
You know on the end of the hose where there's a nozzle?
Yeah.
And it's usually made out of plastic or steel.
Yeah.
Well, mine has a steel end, and that is the sound of dragging the nozzle across the pavement.
I hear it now. I have heard that sound before.
I'll bet you have. Now let's have a listen to Mystery Sound number 2 from the backyard. What do you think this one is?
I don't know what that one is, and earlier you said that I've heard that before many times.
Well, sure you have, Woofy. As soon as I explain it, you'll go, oh yeah, that's right.
Well, what is it?
In my backyard, I have a 20-plus-year-old rickety old tin shed.
Yeah.
And that sound you're hearing is me opening and closing the doors on my rickety old tin shed. Have a listen again.
Oh, you're right. I have heard that sound many times before. Every time we go into the shed to get a garden tool.
That's right, Woofy.
It's funny how you don't know what the sound is until you know what the sound is.
That's right, Woofy. That's what's so much fun about playing mystery sounds here on the Brent and Woofy radio show. And let's continue to Mystery Sound number 3 from my backyard in the summertime. Have a listen to this.
Yeah, I know that's water.
You're right, Woofy, but where is that water? Remember we were saying earlier that water makes different kinds of sounds.
I don't know where that water is.
Well, I'll let you know, Woofy. That is the water in my pool, and I'm walking through the pool, making the water make water sounds. Have a listen again.
Oh, yeah. Now I hear it. I can almost hear your footsteps in the water.
Footsteps in the water, Woofy?
Yeah, footsteps in the water.
How you doing on these ones, guys?
I'm doing okay, I guess. I think I can guess the next one.
Okay, let's play Mystery Sound number 4. See if you can guess this one from the backyard in the summertime. Do you know what that one is, Woofy?
Yes, I know what this one is.
What do you think it is, Woofy?
That's the sound of your squeaky old clothesline.
You're absolutely right, Woofy. I was hanging out the towels today to dry, and the clothesline sounds like this.
Why does the clothesline sound like that? Why does it squeak?
Because there's metal rubbing on metal parts, Woofy, and I haven't climbed the pole and put some oil on it so that it won't squeak when it rubs together.
What does the oil do?
The oil lubricates it, so that's not metal rubbing on metal. There's actually a layer of oil between the metal, because when the metal is rubbing on the metal, it's all dried out, and when there's lubricant in there, the metal doesn't touch the metal, and that's why it doesn't squeak.
Well, when are you going to climb the pole?
That's another story for another time. Let's get back to the mystery sounds here on the Brent and Woofy Radio Show. That was mystery sound number 5. Woofy, do you have any idea what that mystery sound is?
Well, I thought it sounded like somebody breathing.
Well, that's a good guess because it is air going in and air coming out. What has a backyard item that has air going in and air coming out? What is it, Woofy?
A pump.
That's right, Woofy. It's my air mattress pump, pumping up the air mattresses. Have a listen to the air mattress pump pumping away here.
Yeah, I hear it now. I've heard that sound 1,000,000 times because your air mattress had a hole in it and you had to pump it up many times every day.
That's right, Woofy. But I got a new air mattress because I couldn't patch the old one. I tried and it just didn't work. So I have a new air mattress to float on the pool in the backyard in the summertime.
Oh, that's cool. Let's do another one. I'm starting to get these now.
Okay, let's see if you can guess what the next one is. And I'll give you a hint. Has something to do with the garden.
The garden?
Yeah, have a listen.
It sounds like something scraping again.
That's right, Woofy. That's exactly what it is. That is me weeding the garden. That's the garden hose scraping across the top of the ground, digging up all the weeds so all the fruits and vegetables have more chance to grow.
Can I hear that again?
Sure, Woofy. Let's hoe the garden.
Well, that sounds pretty cool. What are you growing in your garden?
Well, isn't that interesting, Woofy, that you'd ask that? Because the next mystery sound has something to do with the garden as well. And when you guess what it is, I'll tell you what's growing out there.
Okay, let's have a listen to it.
Here we go. Mystery sound number 7 on the Brent and Woofy Backyard Summer Mystery Sounds game.
I don't know what that sound is, and I don't know what it has to do with the garden.
Well, Woofy, remember a while back, we were talking about water and the different sounds that water makes.
Oh, was that water?
That's right, Woofy. That's water coming out of the end of the nozzle connected to the hose. And I'm watering the tomato plants.
Oh, I like tomatoes.
That's good, Woofy. Tomatoes are really good. That's why I'm growing them in the backyard.
Let me hear you water them again so I know.
Okay, Woofy, here goes.
I like tomatoes. They're good to eat.
That's right, Woofy, and that's why you have to put water on them so they'll grow big and bright and red and juicy, and then we can eat them.
I like them.
And speaking of eating, remember, mystery sound number 8 had to do with eating.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. I just don't know what the sound is. What does this sound have to do with eating?
Have a listen, Woofy.
I don't know, you got me on this one. I've never heard anybody sound like that when they're eating.
Well, Woofy, remember, I didn't say it was eating. I said it had to do with eating.
Well, what do you eat in the backyard?
Well, Woofy, I like to barbecue.
Oh, you do, eh? So what's the sound?
The sound is cleaning the barbecue grill.
Oh, with the wire brush, right?
That's right, Woofy. It's a wire brush on a barbecue grill.
Well, that's pretty cool. Do you ever put your tomatoes on the barbecue?
You bet I do, Woofy. I love barbecue tomatoes. Have you ever tried barbecue tomatoes?
I don't think I've ever tried barbecue tomatoes, but I sure like those hot dogs that you make on the barbecue. I'm a dog and I like hot dogs. I'm Woofy the dog.
That's right, Woofy. Let's carry on and finish up the Brent and Woofy mystery sounds with one final sound. Number 9. Sound number 9.
Well, that sounds like my refrigerator again.
Oh, no, Woofy. It's not the sound of the refrigerator. It's a sound you'll hear in a backyard, but only in the summertime.
Is it, let me see, let me guess. Is it the lawnmower?
No, Woofy, that's not the lawnmower.
Is it the whippersnapper?
No, Woofy, I'm afraid it's not.
How about the hedge trimmer? Is it the hedge trimmer?
No, Woofy, sorry.
Leaf blower?
No, Woofy. Here, listen to it again, and think water.
What?
Think water.
Water? Okay. That doesn't sound like water.
But it's another sound that water makes. It's water moving through the pool pump. It's actually the sound of the pool pump moving the water.
What do you move the water for?
Well, because it takes the water out of the pool, goes through the pool pump, up into the salt chlorine generator, and back into the pool and gives me nice, crystal clear, beautiful, salty, chloriney water.
Salty, chloriney water?
It's just like swimming in the ocean, Woofy.
Let me hear that again. Oh, I get it. That's the sound of the pool pump pumping the water.
That's right, Woofy. How'd you do on the mystery sounds today, all 9 of them?
Oh, I did pretty good. I got a few of them, and it's very cool to know that all those sounds come from your backyard.
That's right, Woofy. Sometimes you hear those sounds, but you don't even actually acknowledge them and know that they're going on.
Yeah, until we play the mystery sound game.
Brent and Woofy mystery sound. Well, my friends, we've come to the end of another Brent and Woofy radio show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for playing our backyard summertime mystery sounds game. And for more information on Brent and Woofy and the radio show, simply Google the Brent and Woofy radio show. Send us an email. We'd love to hear from you. So, Woofy, it's time to say goodbye. So, say goodbye, Woofy.
Yeah, goodbye, Woofy.
That's the end of the show, but now we've got to go. Say bye, bye, bye. We sure had some fun, but now we've got to run. Say bye, bye, bye. We're Brent and Woofy of the radio show. We sure had fun, but we've got to go. Say bye, 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 bye.
The Brent and Woofy radio show was written, directed, produced, and recorded by Brent Lindsay Beeler. Brent and Woofy performed by Brent Lindsay Beeler. The Brent and Woofy radio show theme song provided by Brent and Woofy from the CD Under a Star, entitled It Is What It Is. For more information, visit www.bbshows.ca or Google Brent and Woofy. This is Scott McLeod, and this has been a production of Brent Beeler Shows. Copyright 2011.